Come on.
Wendy Rubin Fitzgerald has lived her entire life around horses, at one time competing in national arenas. But during a trail ride, a snake crossed her horse's path, causing him to spook, throwing Wendy off.
I always wore spurs. I had spurs, so I didn't land flat. I landed kind of on my ankle, and with the spur, just trashed it.
Wendy knew as soon as she tried to stand, she was in trouble.
That step was the most painful, and it was also crunch, crunch.
Dr. Lou Schoen is an orthopedic surgeon and the co-inventor of the Zimmer total ankle replacement.
All my cases are lateral approach. We cut the outer bone, position it, get everything properly aligned, correct the deformity.
The Zimmer's design is different from other companies and is made from a material called tantalum.
That is a very special metal that inspires bone to grow into it.
Wendy had a rod holding her ankle together at first, but then had the Zimmer ankle replacement 4 years ago. She no longer rides, but is active on her trainer's farm with very few restrictions.
He told me if I took care of it, I'd have it for life.
I'm Marty Salt reporting.